Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today in charting lingo, we had a breakout. So now that leads to the question of, is this a true breakout? I have no idea, but by using just some basic rules of charting, we can answer the question today of, is this some sort of, the beginning of a much bigger breakout, or in other words, a breakout with true power? And all this is going to revolve around the rule, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 27 cents going forward is our very important level for the reasons that hopefully we can agree on. So the logic here being, again, hopefully we can agree on this logic, that breakouts that are truly breakouts are going to, well, keep on breaking out. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power and is a true breakout, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 27 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old channel that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back and does something like this before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows there. You'd have this set down here. You'd have this set down there. You get the point. You picture each of these as stair steps. You'd have some very nice stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. You want to see progress forward. And at this moment in time, I am defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress forward, as 27 cents, because 27 cents is representing the top of that former channel. And yeah, you just don't want to see the price falling back inside of that channel. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now by far is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through a healthy consolidation and just starting to make progress forward. And it all starts with staying above 27 cents. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this breakout or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.